This is part 3. Here I shall discuss about the physical features, the Great Rift Valley and Great Artesian Basins. The Rift Valley of Australia, that is the valley which is formed by the sinking of land between two rough parallel faults, is called the Rift Valley. Rift Valley, such valleys are long in the proportion to its width. Rift Valley, here I am showing you in shortly, that is this one, this fold, this side you have seen, this is long, and whenever suppose this layer, this is the layer, this layer is going here, this layer is going down, and then here we are making just like V shape. So this is only V shape, that is only Rift Valley, and both the side is, that is called block mountain. Block mountain. So this is only Rift Valley. This Rift Valley are the most significant features of Australia, and also we know that that is in Africa. The Rift Valley of Australia is located in its southernmost part. It has several lakes such as Lake Gander and then Lake Torrens. Then it is that the Rift Valley, and also the Spencer Gulf located in the southern Australia. It is also an example of Rift Valley. Now next one, the Great Artesian Basin, I will show you. Before seeing the picture of Artesian Basin I am showing you, you please have a look. Now see the picture of artesian well. Here you have seen permeable layer and impermeable layer. Means impermeable layer at first, after then right hand side permeable, and again that impermeable. Impermeable means the water cannot percolate through it, and permeable means water can percolate through this. Impermeable means water cannot percolate through it, and permeable means water can percolate through it. So you see, and the rainfall sign is also there. Whenever there is huge rainfall, then permeable, impermeable, from permeable layer water can, rainwater can go and it can absorb into the permeable layer, and after that, that impermeable layer water cannot impermeable, from impermeable layer water cannot pass out, and that's why it is remain there only. After that, again permeable layer is there. In this way, whatever the water is going, they are storing into that the layer one by one. And if you will dig one blue color line, you see that this blue color means if you dig one tank, then automatically from aquifer, means here you see that the aquifer is there. Aquifer, from aquifer, the water means wherever, what is aquifer? The surface water percolates watery basin, that is known as aquifer. From there, aquifer, that the water is continuously come out into the outer surface of the earth. So in this way, whatever the formation of well is there, that is called artesian basins or artesian well. So the Great Artesian Basin, once again I am saying the Great Artesian Basin is located in the Queensland and New South Wales. It forms a major part of the Central Highlands, and the basin has a flat surface, and the Great Australian Basin water found deep underground. So the underground water is utilized through the artesian wells for irrigation and for animals. I showed you that is two impermeable, in between two impermeable layer, permeable layer is there, so water can collect there, and there is no chance of going outside because both the sides there is impermeable layer is there. So whenever that freely water can come out through that without digging any well, or that if you will dig well, means whatever is there, that is that the water can come out freely from that. If there is any hole or crack is there, from the permeable layer or from the aquifer, continuously water is coming out. So the surface water percolates percolate down to the rivers of the permeable rocks, and this water basin is called also aquifer. Already I have told you. With the passage of time, aquifer will become a saturated zone. Finally, the groundwater would rise up by its own pressure. Remember that they are coming out by its own pressure, and then they lead a formation of an artesian well. So this the artesian well can be defined. What we can define it as a well through which groundwater comes out by itself. You can dig well or without digging well also. If there is any hole, then from there it is coming out by itself. So I hope that it will be helpful for you. My next video I will describe about the other physical features of Australia. Thank you everyone.